po si Alvin Patrimonio. Samahan niyo po ako dito sa PBA Slideshow. Rolling! Ito yung rookie year namin. First year din with the Pure Foods team. Tinatawag natin the ultimate trio eh. Kaming tatlo talaga yung top 3 rookies na na-pick ng Pure Foods. Nag-click tong trio na to na nagustuhan ng mga fans. Kaming tatlo kasi, from the RP, magkakasama na kami. Naka-represent din kami ng country. In fact, 1986, all amateur kami sa Asian Games Seoul, Korea. Nakuha namin bronze medal, so talagang nadala namin yung success namin as an amateur player na nadala namin sa Pure Foods. Wow! Thumbs up! MVP. 1991 to. My first MVP.
For 1991, Alvin Patrimonio.
In that year, no 1991, nag-All-Filipino champions kami. Siguro nakita rin yung nag-votes, nag-cast ng votes yung consistency ko all throughout the year. Kaya ako yung napiling MVP.
The turnaround by Alvin. And here's Alvin Patrimonio. He continues to burn. They're protecting a 1-point lead. Coming in strong from the left side. Alvin again. Has been a phenomenal performance for Alvin Patrimonio.
I'm so honored and grateful lalo na sa management and coaching staff and my teammates na sa akin nabigay yung MVP. This is probably one of the best tandem ever in the PBA. Jerry Codinera and Alvin Patrimonio. Nag-start kami talaga sa Pure Foods. We love challenges, we love to compete day in and day out sa practice. Off the court, talagang magkasama pa rin. Siguro, yun yung na-build yung relationship namin. Kaya nadala namin sa court to. For 11 years, 1988 to 1999, magkasama kami ni Jerry. Pareho kami ng ugali. Kahit sa practice, ayaw na magpapatalo. Hahanap ng mga paraan para mapanalo niya yung team. Kahit may sakit, tuloy pa rin ang laban. Wow, saya namin dito. One of the happiest moments sa buhay namin as a basketball player. Magkasama-sama kami sa Asian Games in Beijing, China ng 1990. First time na nag-all-pro team to. Kita niyo naman ang lineup ng team. Naging successful. Silver medalist kami dito. Kahit 2 weeks lang na preparation, positive result na nangyari. For me, ito yung the best team na form. Pinakamasayang araw ko as a PBA player na masasabi ko, although very emotional tong pagkakataon na to, nag-announce ako ng retirement on my birthday, November 17, 2004. Binigyan ako ng tribute ng PBA. For 16, 17 years in the PBA, nagpaalam na ako as a basketball player.
The most valuable player for the second time, Alvin Patrimonio. Alvin Patrimonio! The most valuable player! Hand up and cheer for Alvin Patrimonio!
Masasabi ko na mission accomplished. Ito yung year na dumating yung mga film. They're dominating talaga pagdating nila. Masasabi ko na mas lalo ako na-challenge dito. Although they're bigger and quicker and stronger, sabi ko na meron naman solusyon yan kung paano masasabay sa kanila. Diyan ko, pinactice yung outside shooting. In fact, may conference yata na gumanda yung 3-point percentage ko. Kaya nga nabansagan tayo ng the captain yung una, tapos na dagdagan ng Lionheart because siguro hindi tayo talaga sumusuko or talagang puro puso ang panlaban natin. Ito talaga ang mga trophies ko. Family. Ang son ko is into culinary arts and malapit na siyang graduate. I'm proud of him. My 2 daughters, I'm sure na nakuha nila yung pagiging winner ko as an athlete, kaya napasa sa kanila. They're into tennis right now. Marami na silang nasilyan tournaments. I-represent na nila ang ating bansa. Parati ko sa kanilang sinasabi na ibang feeling pag dinadala nyo. I'm very proud of them. As a father, yun talagang legacy na mabibigay mo sa mga anak mo. Ako po si Alvin Patrimonio dito sa PBA Slideshow.
Many years have passed since those summer days.